students, we are going to discuss binomial theorem, video number 3. So this is the result I am planning to do 1 plus x raised to n, 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 by 2 into x square, n into n minus 1, n minus 2 by 3 factorial into x cube. This is the way. So what I am planning to do here, we are going to replace x by minus x and replace n by minus n. So what we are going to get is something like this, 1 minus x raised to minus. So if we are going to put these values, you can see that 1 plus, this is minus n minus x, then it is coming out be minus n minus 1, 1 into 2 minus x square, something like this. So if you are expanding this or multiplying the things properly, this become 1 plus nx. Next it become n plus 1 into n by 2 factorial into x square. Third time I didn't wrote it there, but we can take it as something like this. It is coming out be into n dividing by 3 factorial x cube, like this. So if you convert it into a proper notation, this become 1 plus nc1x, n plus 1 c2 x square, n plus 2 c3 x cube. This is the way it is coming. So what we done here, 1 minus x raised to minus n. So 1 minus x raised to minus n, you see it is coming out be like this. So let me write it. This is as a result 1 minus x raised to minus n. 1 minus x raised to minus n, that become 1 plus nc1x, n plus 1 c2 x square. This is the way we are getting. Now we are going to put the value here. Let me write 1 minus x. I am replacing that n with minus 2. So this is coming out be 2c1x, 3c2x square, 4c3x cube. This is the way we will get it. So this become 1 plus 2x. This is 3x square, then 4x cube. The value is coming out be 1 minus x raised to minus 2. Let me explain with a small example. You see, we are going to find out x to the power 5, coefficient of x to the power 5 in the expansion of 1 minus x raised to minus 8. Coefficient of x to the power 5 in the expansion of this. So we know that formula 1 minus x power minus n. This is coming out be nc1x, n plus 1 c2 x square. You see lower suffix n plus 2 c3. So lower suffix is 3 and the power of x also 3. This way. So if you replace that n with minus or n with 8, you are getting 1 plus 8c1x, 9c2x square. You see power of x and lower suffix is same, and upper suffix and lower suffix is differ by 7 also. That also we can see that. Yeah, this is coming out be 10c3x cube. Now you see what is happening. We are looking for the question. We are looking for x to the power 5. So lower suffix is coming out be 5 only. You see upper value and lower value. Upper value and lower value. Remember it is 1. So 1 plus 7, 8 when this is 2, then 2 plus 7, it become 9. Now this is 3. Now this become 3 plus 7, 10. So that way 5 is here. Then we can find out the upper value. So we want to put 7 plus 5. This is coming out be 12. So 12c5 is the answer for that. So let me explain with one more example. Therefore, we are going to find out x power 5. Again, x power 5, coefficient of x power 5 in the expansion of this. So here we know that this 1 plus 2x plus 3x square up to infinity, this we can write it 1 minus x power minus 2. Or this is coming out be 1 plus 2x 3x square, this one raised to 7 by 2. This is coming out be the 2 and 2 will get cancelling. This become 1 minus x raised to minus. Now, as usual, we are going to expand this 1 minus x power minus 7. This is coming out be 1 plus 7c1x and 8c2x square power of x, and the lower suffix is the same. And upper suffix is different by only 6. 2 plus 6, 8. 1 plus 6, 7. So next term is, you know that 9c3x cube. You know that power of x and lower suffix is same. So 3 plus 6 become 9. So we are looking for x ka power 5. So iska lower suffix is coming out the 5 and upper suffix is 5 plus 6. That become 11. So 11c 5 is the answer for this problem. So we discussed 1 minus x raised to minus n. 1 minus x raised to minus n is the concept we are discussing. So you see next result is this one. Let me write one result, and it is very much familiar to us, that one also. The next one is, let me explain, 1 plus x raised to n again. So if you take it, that first two type, this one and this one in RHS, that is coming out be 1 plus x power n minus nx minus 1. This become nc2x square, then this become nc3x cube. That way it is going on. So here we can take out that x square. So the remaining is nc2, nc3x cube. Sorry, nc3x cube is we taken that x square out. So only x is coming. So all these are coming out. We can say that the x square. This is multiple of x square only. This is multiple of x square. So 1 plus x power n minus 1. So the concept we are getting from here is this 1 plus x power n minus nx minus 1. This is coming out be multiple of x square, or this will be multiple of x square means we can dividing by x square, remainder becomes 0, or 1 plus x power n minus 1 minus xn minus nx is divisible by x square. Let me give one basic problem. This is the situation. You see 10 raised to n. So this is something like that 1 plus 9 power n. This is the form. Over here, x value is coming out be 9. So you know that 1 plus x power n minus nx minus 1 is divisible by x square. So here, in case of x, we are getting x become 9. So answer for this is coming out be 81. Let me explain with one more problem. This is the problem. 6 power 2 raised to n. 6 power 2 raised to n. 6 power 2 raised to n minus 35n minus 1 is divisible by dash. So again, we know that we better to keep the power become n. Minus nx minus 1 is divisible by x square. This is the concept we want to use it. So 6 power 2n. Let me write it. This is 6 square, 36 power n. Or we can write 1 plus 35 power n. So you see here that x become 35 only. Now what is happening here? 1 plus 35 raised to power n minus 35n minus 1 is divisible by that x square. In case of x, here that is the x coming out be 35. So x equal to 35. So answer is coming out be for this problem is 35 square. So students, please revise the things, and if you're finding any type of difficulty, you can discuss with me also. I can give my number. So please uh, keep on touch with me. This is my WhatsApp number. Thank you very much. Um, we will come out with another. We will come out with another video next time. Thank you.